Have you ever wondered what sets a leader apart from the rest? Leadership, it's a term we often use, but what does it truly signify? In the realm of professionalism, it's not just about being in the driver's seat. It's not about commanding or dictating. Instead, it's about steering the ship, inspiring your crew, and influencing their journey towards a shared destination. A leader is someone who guides with vision, empowers with trust, and impacts with integrity. It's about fostering an environment of collaboration, sparking innovation, and driving productivity. And the benefits? They're far-reaching. Strong leadership skills can catalyze a team's performance, turning a group of individuals into a cohesive, high-functioning unit. Beyond that, it can open doors for personal career advancement, catapulting you to new heights of success. So, what's the essence of leadership? It's simple. Leadership is not a title, it's a behavior. So how can you cultivate this behavior? Scene script. Great leaders are made, not born. So, how can you develop your leadership skills? Embarking on the journey of leadership begins with a deep dive into the self. Self-awareness is the cornerstone of effective leadership. It's about understanding your strengths, but perhaps more importantly, acknowledging your weaknesses. This is not an exercise in self-deprecation. Rather, it's about creating a solid foundation for growth. To develop your leadership skills, start by taking a long, hard look in the mirror. Ask yourself, what am I good at? Where do I stumble? Be honest, be critical, but also be kind. Remember, no one is perfect. We all have areas of strength and areas that need improvement. After you've identified your strengths and weaknesses, it's time to hone your communication skills. Communication is the lifeblood of leadership. It's not just about speaking eloquently or writing persuasive emails. It's about active listening, about truly hearing what others are saying, and responding with thoughtfulness and respect. But communication is just the beginning. As a leader, you also need to develop a clear vision. This vision should guide your actions and decisions. It should inspire you and those around you. Setting clear, achievable goals is a crucial part of this process. Once you've set your goals, it's time to act. Decisive action is a hallmark of effective leaders. It's about making tough decisions, even when the path forward isn't clear. It's about taking calculated risks and learning from your mistakes. Finally, remember that leadership is not a solo endeavor. It's about fostering a positive team environment. Show empathy and appreciation to those you lead. Understand their challenges, celebrate their successes, and always be there to support them in times of need. In the end, developing leadership skills is a dynamic process. It's about continuous growth, about learning from your experiences and adapting to new challenges. It's about striving to be the best leader you can be, not just for your own sake, but for the sake of those you lead. Remember, leadership is a journey, not a destination. It requires continuous learning and improvement. So, you've learned the essence of leadership and how to develop your leadership skills. But what's next? Let's take a moment to recap the journey we've taken today. We've discovered that leadership is not just about being in charge, but about guiding and influencing others. It's about fostering an environment that encourages growth and success. It's about having the self-awareness to recognize your strengths and weaknesses, and the courage to address them. We've also learned that effective communication is key, that a clear vision is essential, and that decisive action is imperative. But let's not forget about empathy. Understanding and acknowledging the feelings of others is what truly sets a leader apart from a boss. Remember, leadership development is not a one-time event. It's a continuous process, a journey that you embark on, constantly learning and improving. Start your journey towards becoming a great leader today. Remember, the world needs more leaders, not bosses.